it's the final week before Honda Day and tensions are building as people are scrambling to finish off their builds, be it show cars or race cars. And Emiko, Rose and I are just heading out to meet up with Patrick and Divan as we're going to be dropping off some parts that were landed. So hello to the people of YouTube.
Hello.
So let's get straight to it and welcome to another YouTube Build Series video. So we've just completed the drop off at Patrick's place now, and Patrick and Divan have actually headed off to Paradigm and we are close by behind them. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put some teaser clips of that boot build so you guys can see some of the progress that has been made and what it's currently looking like. But as mentioned in the previous video, you guys will need to come to Honda Day to see the completed project.
You see these gaps, like these gaps and this gap here and there. I want to fill all those gaps to give the floor a nice and tight fit so that there's no moving around or whatever while you're driving. You see, here's the liner, right? So here the board itself, the floorboard itself, comes around here. So I wanted to sit up against the edge of the liners instead of having a massive gap in between the two. So from what I can see is I just need to cut out this section here. Then it clears the top of the strut and the brace should be fine. New clips everywhere.
Okay, so we just made it here to Paradigm. Was a little bit of a mission. We ended up getting lost, and Divan is here as well. Meneer, how's it?
Good and you?
Lekker, thanks man.
Hello.
Say hello to uncle. Good. You said you wanted to see the uncle again. Say hello. Remember Uncle Divan? Mr. Fabian, how's it meneer? Good, good, thanks. Nice to see you. Say hello, this is Uncle Fabian.
Got you on delivery girl.
Yeah, the delivery girl. She specifically requested to be part of the video. She wants to see the uncle with the purple thing. Mr. Patrick, how are you, sir?
How are you?
Say hello to Uncle Patrick. Delivery girl is shy. Yeah, as I mentioned, we'll just do quick cinematic, or not cinematic, but just quick look at Divan's project. He's had some major rust removed and now they're just finishing off the vehicle, and yo, this thing's already looking clean. That is little delivery though. So excuse the mess, a little bit of everything going on here. But there you go, there's the first thing you can give to Uncle.
Thank you. Oh, this stuff is heavy, ne?
Yeah, that's proper quality stuff, steel, yeah.
Yo.
Yeah, you can help Daddy give this to Uncle Divan. Come. It's a big box. Let's zoom out here quickly. And then an even bigger box. That's Grandpa's stuff, yes. Here you go. Lift for Daddy. Keep it 2 hands, eh? Right, let's carry this one to the car for Uncle.
Okay. Is that your automatic?
No, not auto. Yeah, you can just pull down. We're gonna put it in the mug straight, or oh, actually it's going onto the car, yeah, so you can go inside. Come, come, let's take it inside. Don't mind the noise, eh? I know you don't like the loud sounds. Now, come further. Oh. Lift from the bottom, baby. Lift it higher. There you go. And you can leave it here with Uncle Patrick. That's the lights, yeah. This is the front, that's the rears. So there we go. Another delivery done, courtesy of Advanced Import Auto Parts and Emiko Rose. Steel, yeah. What are you running? Still the aluminium stuff?
I have Fury's aluminium stuff.
Okay. I'll do another order and then I'll sponsor you a set just as a thank you also.
Strip my studs off.
Yeah.
Muscles I throw the 3 studs.
Now I'll sort you out with some proper stuff.
Oh, this is gonna look frick, man.
Yeah. You happy? Looks exactly like the picture you saw.
Look van die cartoons.
Definitely. It's a pity those Denjis were a bit too out of the price range because I think that would have set the car apart like heavily.
Oh, you can also put those new ones.
Yeah, it's different ones. It's semi-clear as you can see.
Okay.
What they again does? That's what we basically change into.
Oh, this car is gonna look so different.
Huh?
So different.
I'm getting safe now.
Yeah, we've got Patrick also busy just finishing up the last of the floorboard for Dove's boot display. Very similar to what I've also had done, obviously with different tweaks to it. But if you are looking for any custom work for your car, audio, boot displays, Patrick's your man to hit up.
I think this is done.
Of the rubber seals.
That's the seals, yeah.
I'm just gonna keep that. Yeah, I just wanna hold it.
That looks like a light. What is it?
Oh,
What away? You see before and after the next come.
this is gonna look so completely different.
Damn. So you happy?
Very. Where's the head?
Can you stop smiling now? This is the month's Easter present.
Dankie,
Yeah, I had to just open everything and check that there was no damages to it, otherwise I had to put the claim through the insurance.
You can pull it out with one go, so.
Unbox with me. Kevin Shepherd.
Whoa. I don't think you see much of the big in your only space. But make sure we need for what?
Try to see the voice. You can't do anything else about it. But yeah, as you can see, that is going to be additional lights. That is what we need to do. Different light.
Thanks to this man. Thanks to this man. Mobilize all the cars we built.
Yeah, anytime.
Let's look for a quick in there. Just get some everything there.
Big energy, no effort, look at me, that's pressure. I don't chase, I get her, I don't beg. I bless her, big energy, no effort, look at me, that's pressure. I don't chase, I get her, I don't beg. I bless her.
Right, so here we've got the left side tail light, other part is here on top, and Dove has decided he wants to take a crack at doing the driver side, but already I see this man is busy struggling.
Why is it going one way?
I don't chase, I get her, I don't beg. I bless her, big energy,
Oh,
no effort, look at me, that's pressure. I don't chase, I get her, I don't beg. I bless her.
Yes, the great function. Oh. Sai spalero piccato. Ikaw sa rin. Ikaw sa rin.